I had a few people over this weekend and we had a custom gift party, I guess I would say, where we did all kinds of gifts. I don't even have pictures of everything because we did blankets and such, but I wanted to give you an update on some of the things that we did. These mittens are tiny little mittens and they actually were from the Dollar Tree. So $1.25 a pair, each one of them. The kids' names both start with an S. It just happens to be that they both start with an S. So the little girl pair is the white one and the little boy pair is the black. And so what we did was a sublimation print of an S and we put one on each one of the mittens. These were pressed. These are polyester mittens. I think they're 95% polyester and 5% spandex. And so we press these for about 25 seconds at 385 degrees. And of course, we left the lip off the side of the press. I actually use the HTV Rod Auto Press 2 with 170 pounds of pressure, leaving the top part of the mitten here with the arrow, leaving that off the side of the press. Some other things that we did were custom ornaments and custom mugs. I don't have a picture of any of the mugs here, but this is one of the ornaments. So I have these ceramic ornaments in the shape of a star. I have all kinds of different shapes and sizes, and I'll put a video link below for making these ceramic ornaments. But what I did is I went into Canva and I put a background down. That would be the blue background. And then I brought the picture of the children in and used the background remover. I have Canva Pro, so I use the background remover. And then I just added 2024. And so the pressing instructions for these will be in the video link below. And then this was really the key. Everyone was making these cutting boards. So what I did is I ordered a big box of these cutting boards on eBay. Beautiful bamboo cutting boards. They're like 16 inches wide and about 12 inches high. And so what I did was I cut stencils out with my Cricut, and then we used a torch paste, and I'll have a video link below for that as well. So you add the torch paste to the stencil, and then you use a heat gun to get this beautiful, beautiful burnt look on the cutting boards. And then I polished them with a food grade oil. It's actually oil for cleaning cutting boards, for cleaning butcher block. And so I'll have a link below for that oil as well. And then we just had some Dollar Tree items here. We had the hot pad and the towel. And so we took the monogram that I made for the stencil and we just put the monogram of just the R on the towel and the hot pad. And so here you have a beautiful custom inexpensive gift. I think these cutting boards, I bought a 16 pack of them. I think they were like $4 a piece for these cutting boards, buying them that way. And here's just a quick look at some of the other cutting boards that we made using the same process, the torch paste, the heat gun, and they turned out so good. It was really fun doing these custom gifts. And these are some sublimation ready canvas bags that someone brought, and we personalized them, and they turned out absolutely adorable. I'll have a link below for these bags too. And of course, we had to try out these snow globe designs. And so we actually made Christmas cards out of these, and they turned out so adorable. I'll have a link to a video that I made for using these snow globe designs as well below. Well, thank you for watching. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and see links below.